According to the latest global survey by HRD magazine, 91% of HR leaders are promoting the continuance of remote work post-COVID-19. In fact, the majority of employers have offered employees the opportunity to work from home due to the pandemic. But many companies, also both large and small businesses, have already established remote working policies pre-pandemic. Learning how to be an effective virtual team member is paramount in order to become successful. Harvard Business Review studied 3,500 remote workers and nearly all agreed that they would work from home if they were allowed to do so. Another example is Dell, a multinational computer technology company, experienced significant savings by transitioning to remote work. Already in 2016, Dell recorded saving $12 million annually directly related to office space reductions. Dell is not alone in their decision to transition into remote work. Other major corporations like Amazon, Apple, IBM, Microsoft and Google, to name just a few, also chosen to transition to remote working companies. So, with that being said, learning to be an effective virtual team member is of the essence. Let's discuss some essential practices that will keep any virtual team most effective. Strong leadership, effective management, and the right team to begin. Followed by establishing clear communication expectations among your remote working team to keep them in the loop with the rest of their in-office counterparts is important. Remote teams need to create new norms that establish clarity in communication. Companies such as Merck have created acronyms for their digital communications like 4-hour response for HR and no need to respond, NNTR, that bring predictability and certainty to virtual conversations. It is also important for individual teams to establish their own norms. For example, use and not use apps such as Slack, Google Docs, or WhatsApp groups. It's important to find what works best for your team. Find other infrastructures that you admire and create your own methods that work best for you. Creating new norms can also exist on an individual level, such as people's preferred response time, writing style, and tone. It is essential to stay engaged with open communication and creative incentives to encourage the team to learn and use new technology. See the hidden opportunities in written communication, such as email, social medias, WhatsApp, Microsoft Teams, and Hangouts, for example. Meantime, open communication using platforms to keep remote working teams engaged with their traditional working teammates. While virtual teams may lack in traditional office setting communication like body language and face-to-face conversations, modern emojis and creative text can enhance virtual communications and keep virtual teams connected. By utilizing modern technology and modern software, virtual teams are able to stay well equipped with a strong infrastructure and foundation to establish an effective virtual team. Challenges may arise with time zone differences in addition to cultural barriers, but irregardless, communication should be a top priority and focus for any team, especially virtual teams. With a proper file sharing software and video technology, virtual teams are here to stay.